mga kalaminians, nadaron sa Gaas Balamban kay mga Untag Burger. And we discovered this place called Hole in the Wall Burgers. So, muna, mga Untag Burgers bay, kung masuroy mo sa Balamban, check this out. Tara, mga unta. So guys, lindot yung view bay, no? Makagutom kayo, lindot yung mag-burger. It's time to meet the owners ba, itong ilailahon.
Hi, ako si Orson Tan and my girlfriend Jacen Flores. I own the Hole in the Wall Burgers here in Gaas Balamban along Trans Central Highway, and we offer the best burgers here in Cebu.
Wow, huh?
Everything is homemade, from the patties, from beef briskets with short rib, and down to the homemade house cheese.
So what made you guys decide to open this burger place here?
We started around 3 years ago.
Pandemic.
During
Okay.
pandemic, daghan kitong tao tigaray diri sa bukid that time, and we had the place ready and set up by then, so why not?
So do you have any background na magluto-luto?
No.
Not at all.
So where did you learn how to make your burgers?
Background kay ang kaon.
Oh! So what can we expect sa inyong burgers?
You will expect premium ingredients, homemade cheese, homemade beef patties, and really juicy, and
Everything is fresh.
everything is
Alright.
fresh from farm to table na vegetables, and yeah, expect a really great experience.
Alright. So manabay, so pa may sunod, di ba? So tanaw na to kung maghimo sila sa itong burgers.
From the streets to the hidden corners, Kalani 7's got them on hand. We discover local flavors and foodies unite. Feast on the goodness from morning till night. Ooh yeah, Kalani 7. Oh, so divine. A football gotta make your taste buds shine. From hole in the wall to the make the lines. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalani 7. Take your body to life. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavor, save for foodie's delight. Follow the water gourmet treats. Kalani 7. Oh, what a delight. A flow that brings our taste buds to life. From street food stalls to hidden gems, championing the people, the local.
Finally guys, na itong pagkaon. And today we're having the beef burger. Mo nilang quarter pounder with cheese. Basically with their home cheese. House cheese. Plus, of course, fries. Then, mo din na yung BLT. Ano, not BLT na yung lettuce, tomato, and onions. Dayon, pwede pag ninyo dugangan inyong patty, or bacon, or jalapeno. Pwede yun kayo ma-customize if you like. Diba? And of course, this gigantic chicken sandwich or chicken burger is their buffalo chicken burger with a gigantic chicken, fried chicken, pounded and fried na chicken. Then with coleslaw, lettuce, and of course, tomatoes and more. Yeah, diba? So, wala. And they have fries, and of course, this is their onion rings. Wala. So, mali ato muna tilawan. Mr. Burger. Kita ka rin ng burger, right? Kita ka. So, of course, ato na ng tilawan ba? Of course, burger. So, you have to eat it with your hands. Wow. Quite juicy, quite tender. I love it how seasoned it is ba. Kailangan ko siyang pagkaparat. Yeah, dayon, of course, you have the crunchy stuff like the lettuce, the tomatoes, the cheese. Very good flavor sa imong babakay. A well-made burger. Sumaya pagkaluto, not overcooked. Medyo kuan siya ba? Meaty pagid siya. Tender. Goes so well with their fries and onion rings. Just speaking onion rings, guys. Grabe. And normally, tripping aning ahay. If I eat some burgers, I like my onion rings inside. Para ka kumkum. So good, babe. Time we're gonna try out their buffalo chicken burger. Oh, diba? So, muna. Kaya ba naman sa description so kaya dako mga ilang chicken so ako lang kanon ng chicken. Wow. Nicely seasoned. Ganahan ko sa iyang batter, iyang crumbs, kagumkum kaayo. And nagigay manghang na ma-feel because it's buffalo chicken man ilang. When they have their own buffalo, they make their own buffalo sauce. So malaki, kadako ka siya. You end up eating chicken first. No, I'm biting the burger. Ganahan ko sa pagka-season niya, ang pagkahang, laban ra. And of course, it has all those na-neutralize siya sa coleslaw, and then of course the lettuce, the tomatoes, the onions, lingaw gyud. I think you can find as good the chicken burger within miles or kilometers from here. Tumana ko mga burger na lami. Kabaw na mo, na-address a hole in the wall. It's Gaas Balamban. Guys, finally nag-uwan na. And you know what? grabe, it was worth it. Yun kayo bubiyahe dre. I really enjoyed Gaas hole in the wall burgers ba. Ilang beef burger, for example. Grabe dako. It's a quarter pounder patty with house cheese. Plus all the works like the veggies. May pagkaluto ang patty, lami. Yun kayo enjoyable. Yun kaayo. Grabe. Marabag, you know, we travel like 27 kilometers and I guess, why not? Makalipay ra gyud diri. Plus, ito lang chicken burger was really, you know, buffalo chicken burgers. Grabe ka, higanti kayo ang patty is humongous ba. Maglisod kayo hurot, nag-share pa ko. And, kung timpla lang, if you love, you know, spicy, yeah, wow, I love the kick by lamig inside pagka-season and nasa siya homemade coleslaw na mo balance everything plus the works lagi. And of course, kung ngaran mo side dish, onion rings, lamig kay katumkum kaayo. And of course, sometimes I even put it in my burger. And for drinks, nalingaw ako sa kumamgyo cucumber. And you know, tanawang view by marabag hayahay kay dire. Imagine having burgers with a view, this kind of view. Mura na naka-aircon ba? Init kasi syudad dire. Mura na naka-aircon. Man, kung makaril ako, sana na dool ra kayo sa mukha. But wow, it was worth the travel good. So I traveled like an hour padung dire and I would say, boy, lipay ra ko and I guess wa ko nagmahay. So check them out by Gaas Hole in the Wall Burgers. And they're only available during weekends. By the way, check out their page para makibabo kung abri ba sila. Kaya say sarado sila because the owners are working, by the way. Makalingaw kayo mga owners. And on a final note, diyang mga owners to invite you guys to come here and try their burgers.
Ari na muna, may sa Gaas Balamban, open only on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m.